top secret shit. You're not supposed to like film these boards. It's got all our ideas on it.
Plus you're not supposed to film him.
Yeah, you can't film.
He's copyrighted.
You can't film what?
I got a copyright on this face.
So you're saying that I can't do this?
No, you can't do that. You can't film.